Everybody, Marty the Party here, my buddy Rhett. We are killing it. Let's see, today is Friday, December 27th, and my computer's not currently plugged in, oddly enough. I always move it over while I'm working. Let me see if I can find where it's supposed to be plugged in. Huh. I don't even know. Let's see. So, oh, yeah, there it is. I have my, it's right next to it, just not plugged in. Let's see. There we go. So, anyways, yeah, so got all my stuff. I mean, I have my branch done and ready. I've got all kinds of new code in there. Made a lot of progress in the last couple of days. And so I'm going to go ahead and push it. Let's see, get status. So I called it circle, but it has a lot more than circle in it. Get push. It has the plane, the square, the circle, and the like five shapes, which is pretty cool. So it looks like we are good. Let me see what we have here. So apparently I had already pushed it. Let's see. See if we can find it in here. Circle. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it is 2 commits ahead. Let's go ahead and create a new pull request. Circle. Add circle. Square, comma, square, and a few other shapes. And then we'll just go ahead and create the pull request. These are the 2 pulls. It adds a bunch of things, 4 files that were changed. Let's see, make sure we don't have anything goofy in any of those things. I think they all look good. So we'll go ahead and commit that, create that pull request. And then it's doing a bit of static analysis to make sure there's no issues. I'll go ahead and merge it since we already looked over the code. Merged. And we are up to date. So now it's time to go back to our, I believe it's called main, right? Yeah, main. So we're going to go and we're going to get and check out main. And then we're going to do a pull so we can get all the latest stuff. Those are our changes, some changes to README, some changes to the interface faces, and some changes to the service. And then get checkout dash B. And the next one is going to be, I can't remember what it was called. Let's go to ChatGPT. Let's see. I think it was called like a Torus or something like that. Man, we really talked a lot in this thing. So we got capsule, we got ring, and torus. So we're going to do a torus. The one thing about the torus is we will need to add a new property called tube diameter. So we are going to name this branch torus and hit enter. And now we are on our new branch, and yeah, we're only 5 minutes in. So I guess we have a couple minutes. There's no reason to bail on this video so quick. So let's go to our mesh interface and let's add our new attribute. And that is called tube. I don't think that's straight, right? Is that right? Oh, that was Torus, not tube diameter. So it probably makes sense to put it up here with like the radius and all that. And we're going to make it a required field. Diameter number. And we will go ahead and let the, she's yelling at my German Shepherd right now. Her name is Gretchen. She's saying, Gretchen, go. So it's upset because this mesh manager is not, it kind of has a default value. Let's see what they make the default. They made the default 0.4, so I'm going to make it 1 just because 1 is easy and, you know, we could change it if we need to, but what is it? Oh, tube diameter. Tube diameter, colon, 1. So now we have a default of 1 for our torus. We'll hit save. I believe that'll fix everything. So now we have a collection of changes to make. Let's see where we at. We're still only at 7 minutes. So I guess it would make sense. It's like, well, I guess the first thing we do also need to make a new type. This is where it'd be nice to have that other code because we did make changes. It's probably in the mesh interface, and I guess we need to add it to, let's see, let's look for circle. Somewhere we actually say, oh, okay, there we go. Or, oops, or torus geometry, and then down there we have to say it could be a torus geometry. And we got to put a comma in there, and we got to get rid of that comma, and then I guess it just automatically, it's so weird how this one is still dimmed, but somehow it knows what a torus geometry is. So that's good. And then we know from our work of last time that in the mesh manager HTML we want to add a torus geometry. Torus. And now we have our torus. Let's see. Now we're going to want to add a new, like probably by radius, wherever radius is, we're going to want to add like tube diameter. So the problem, yeah, so that's a diameter. So diameter is twice of what a radius. So we'll probably end up changing that. Radius. So map form field. Tube diameter. See, well, the problem is we haven't created any of this stuff. So we're going to need to go ahead and do that before we do this. So I think we're probably close on time now. Yeah, we're over 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and go back to this guy and just make sure that we can see our new type of torus. Of course, it stays that, and unfortunately, we have some more work to do around the forms. So when we go into this form tomorrow, we need to add a torus or a tube diameter, and then and probably some other stuff too to get it working. This is gonna be a little bit harder than the other ones because the other ones all had the same properties. This one has one new property, so we're going to need to add some new code to fix all those things, and then we'll have to update the service. Shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully we can get that done tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Saturday for me, so I might run a little long on that to get it done. That would be cool. There's only 4 days left in the year, so there's only 4 days. So today's 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, and 31st. So yeah, 4 more sessions on this project. So maybe we'll even get like Torus knot, or maybe I can't remember what the other one was. It was like I can't. Let me see. See if I can see it here. Okay, so we might do Torus knot because it looks like Torus knot uses the exact same things. Although it does have radio to. Oh no, we need 2 more things. We need a tubular segments as well. And then yeah, so I need to add that tomorrow. And it looks like that one we want to default that one to 100 maybe. And then this one has the exact same thing, so it'll probably be easy to add that. So we'll probably get these 2 done this year before we're done. And if we do get that done, then maybe we'll try to get the ring geometry done really quick. That would be fun. It's kind of, yeah, and then, yeah, we got all the, oh, and then, yeah, we have all these, wow, converts a 2D shape into a 3D shape geometry. How interesting is that? Extrude. So, well, we definitely won't get to these. And I don't even know what a buffer geometry is, but pretty good sample of all the stuff all the geometries that ThreeJS has to offer. It's hard, because like I wouldn't be surprised if we get like all we have left on these are the ring and the capsule, and just out of like a sort of a desire to complete things, I'll probably be very, very tempted. But it's just sooner, you're always sad it's always hard to walk away from a project and go into a new project. So it's never going to feel right. It's always going to be like, oh, we could just do this one thing, we could always do that one thing. So you just gotta let it be over at a good time for it to be over. Anyways, happy coding, everybody. Bye.